In day-to-day life, we have to calculate the rate-related problems like population increases at time t, number of bacteria are increases at time t, or we know the radioactive substance decreases, its amount is decreases at time t, or body temperature is decreases at time t, and this can be calculated by using the differential equation. Therefore, today we have to study the differential equation. In this chapter, we have to study the first definition. The points are definition of differential equation, next we have to calculate order and degree of the differential equation. Third point is formation of differential equation. Fourth is solution of differential equation, and in solution of differential equation there are different types of differential equations, which are ordinary differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, and linear differential equation, and that can be solved in solution of differential equation. So, see, the definition of differential equation is the equation which contains the derivatives of the functions. The equation which contains the derivative of the functions is said to be differential equation. That is, the equation contains derivative terms is said to be this equation is said to be differential equation. For example, first, suppose d2y by dx square plus sin x dy by dx plus 2x is equal to 0. This equation contains the terms d2y by dx square dy by dx. This type of equations are said to be differential equation. Next, to see the order and degree of the differential equation. Order and degree of differential equation. First, order of the differential equation. Order of differential equation is the equation which has the derivatives, the terms of derivatives, and the highest order derivative. Then it's the order of the highest order derivative is said to be order of the differential equation. That is, the equation which contains the highest order derivative, and the order of this derivative is said to be order of the differential equation. The order of highest order derivative. Order of highest order derivative containing the equation is said to be order of the differential equation. For example, suppose d cube y by dx cube minus 2 dy by dx bracket square equal to sin x. And in this differential equation, the highest order derivative is d cube y by dx cube, and this order of this derivative is said to be order of this equation. Therefore, order of this equation is 3. Here in this example, order of this equation is highest order derivative is d2y by dx square. Therefore, its order is 2. In this way, we have to calculate the order of differential equation. Next is degree. Second, degree of differential equation. The degree of the differential equation is the power of highest order derivative containing the equation. The power of highest order derivative. The power of highest order derivative is said to be degree of the differential equation. And there are some remarks on degree of differential equation. Is remarks. First remark is the power of every derivative containing the equation is always positive. Is always positive. The power of every derivative containing the equation is always positive. Then we have to calculate the degree of the differential equation. Second remark is order and degree of differential equation is always positive. Order and degree of differential equation is always positive. This is the second remark. And third remark is sometimes the terms of the derivative can be written in the form as dy by dx as y dash, d2y by dx square as y double dash, d cube y by dx cube as y triple dash, and so on. In this way, the derivative terms can be written in the equation, and using this, y triple dash is third order, y double dash is second order, y dash is the first order. In this way, we have to calculate the order of the differential equation. Now, to see the examples on order and degree of the differential equation. See the examples in exercise 6.1. Question is, determine the order and degree of the following differential equation. First example is d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 270. We know the order of differential equation is the order of highest order derivative, and in this equation, this is the highest order derivative d2y by dx square, and its order is 2. Therefore, order of this differential equation is order is 2, and the power of highest order derivative is said to be degree of the differential equation. Therefore, its power is 1. Therefore, degree of the differential equation is 1. Therefore, order of this differential equation is 2 and degree is 1. Next, second example, cube root of 1 plus dy by dx bracket square equals to d2y by dx square. आता आपण पाहिलं रिमार्क मध्ये की कोणताही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असेल तर त्याची पॉवर ही नेहमी पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर पाहिजे. याची पॉवर किती आहे? 1 प्लस dy by dx ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इट्स अ रेज टू 1/3, आणि ही आपल्याला इलिमिनेट करायचे, काढून टाकायचे, आणि त्यासाठी दोन्ही बाजूचा क्यूब घ्या. टेकिंग क्यूब बोथ साइड्स, टेकिंग क्यूब बोथ साइड्स, दोन्ही बाजूचा क्यूब घेतला म्हणजे काय मिळेल तर क्यूब रूट कॅन्सल होईल, म्हणजेच मिळणार आहे 1 प्लस dy by dx ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट क्यूब, दोन्ही बाजूचा क्यूब घ्यायचे, टेकिंग क्यूब बोथ साइड्स. आणि मग आता तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व करा इक्वेशन, याच्यामध्ये कोणत्याही डेरिव्हेटिव्हची इंडेक्स ही निगेटिव्ह किंवा रॅशनल नंबर नाही आहे. मग तुम्ही याची ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. आता या इक्वेशन मध्ये हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कोणता आहे? d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर, d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर म्हणजे याची ऑर्डर काय आहे? 2. ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज 2 and its index is 3, therefore degree is 3. Therefore order of this differential equation is 2 and degree is 3. Next, third example one, dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 upon dy by dx. आता हे dy by dx डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ची टर्म ही डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये आहे, म्हणजे याची इंडेक्स काय आहे? वरती न्यूमरेटर मध्ये घेतली तर -1 मिळेल, म्हणजे इंडेक्स निगेटिव्ह इंटिजर मिळाला. पण आपल्याला निगेटिव्ह इंटिजर नको आहे, म्हणून आपण हे सिम्प्लिफाय करूयात. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन घ्या, म्हणजे काय मिळेल? dy बाय dx ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू 2 sin x प्लस 3. आता तुम्हाला निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्स कुठेही दिसत नाहीये डेरिव्हेटिव्हची, याचा डिग्री आणि ऑर्डर तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. याच्यामध्ये हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कोणता आहे? dy बाय dx, म्हणजे त्याची ऑर्डर काय? 1. म्हणजे इथं तुम्हाला मिळालं ऑर्डर 1 आणि डिग्री काय बघा, जे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे त्याची इंडेक्स आहे 2, म्हणजे डिग्री मिळाली तुम्हाला 2. डिग्री ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज 2. In this way we have to calculate the order and degree. Next, fourth example, इथं तुम्हाला y ट्रिपल डॅश इट्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 3y डबल डॅश प्लस 3xy डॅश प्लस 5y इक्वल टू 0 याप्रमाणे इक्वेशन दिलेले आहे. आणि मग तुम्हाला मी रिमार्क मध्ये सांगितले d3y बाय dx क्यूब म्हणजेच y ट्रिपल डॅश. इन दिस वे दिस इक्वेशन इज टेकन अँड हियर हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज y ट्रिपल डॅश, म्हणजे त्याची डिग्री ऑर्डर काय? 3 आणि त्याची पॉवर काय? हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्हची 2, therefore degree is 2. Therefore order of this differential equation is 3 and degree is 2. Next, fifth example is d2y by dx square plus cos dy by dx equal to 0. आता याच्यामध्ये हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कोणता आहे? कुठेही निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्स नाहीये किंवा रॅशनल नंबर नाहीये, म्हणजे तुम्ही डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर काढू शकता. हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे? d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर, म्हणजे तुम्हाला ऑर्डर काय मिळाली? ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज 2. बट हियर द अँगल इज dy बाय dx. द अँगल इज dy बाय dx, that is cos dy by dx. In this case we cannot calculate the degree of the differential equation, therefore degree is not exist. Degree of the differential equation is not exist. In this way, if the given equation contains the sin dy by dx or sin d2y by dx square or log dy by dx e raised to dy by dx, in all these equations we cannot find the degree of the differential equation. Next, sixth example is x plus d2y by dx square plus square root of 1 plus dy by dx bracket square. आता तुम्हाला इथे स्क्वेअर रूट दिसते, म्हणजे तुम्ही काय करणार? स्क्वेअर घेणार आहे. घ्या, टेकिंग स्क्वेअर बोथ साइड्स, दोन्ही साइडचा स्क्वेअर घेतला, म्हणजे तिथं काय मिळेल? therefore x plus d2y by dx square bracket square is equal to 1 plus d2y by dx square. It's a square, म्हणजे इथं रूट कॅन्सल. आता हा स्क्वेअर तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला असं दिसेल की कुठेही स्क्वेअर रूट नाहीये, म्हणजे रॅशनल नंबर नाहीये, कुठेही निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्स नाहीये. मग याची डिग्री आपण ऑर्डर अँड डिग्री लगेच कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो का? नाही. त्या अगोदर सिम्प्लिफाय करा, म्हणजे काय मिळेल बघा? x स्क्वेअर, स्क्वेअरिंग दिस ब्रॅकेट वी गेट x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2x d2y by dx स्क्वेअर plus d2y by dx square, it's a square, is equal to 1 plus d2y by dx square, it's a square. Here d2y by dx square, it's a square, d2y by dx square, it's a square is cancelled. We get the differential equation x square plus 2x d2y by dx square is equal to 1. And this is the simplified equation. And using this equation, we have to calculate the order and degree. Here, highest order derivative is d2y by dx square. Therefore, order is 2, and index of d2y by dx square is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. In this way, जर तुम्ही या इक्वेशन वरून डायरेक्टली इथं तुम्हाला कुठलाही स्क्वेअर दिसत नाही किंवा निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्स दिसत नाही म्हणून तुम्ही काढलात तर तुम्हाला इथं काय दिसेल तर ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणून तुम्ही डिग्री 2 घेऊ शकता, पण ते रॉंग आहे. इथं तुम्ही सिम्प्लिफाय करून त्याची ऑर्डर अँड डिग्री कॅल्क्युलेट करा. नेक्स्ट लास्ट एक्झाम्पल, 7th एक्झाम्पल इज dqy by dx cube, it's a bracket raised to 1 by 2 into dy by dx bracket raised to 1 by 3 equal to 20. या इक्वेशन मध्ये dqy by dx cube चा इंडेक्स 1/2 आहे तर dy by dx चा इंडेक्स 1/3 आहे. आपल्याला कोणताही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह चा इंडेक्स निगेटिव्ह किंवा रॅशनल नंबर नको आहे म्हणून आपण इंडेक्सच्या डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये असणारे नंबर 2 आणि 3 चा एलसीएम कॅल्क्युलेट करा आणि त्याचा एलसीएम आहे लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टिप्लायर आहे 6 आणि दोन्ही बाजूचा आपण 6th इंडेक्स लिहूया टेकिंग 6th power of both sides we get d cube y by dx cube, it's raised to 1/2 bracket raised to 6 into dy by dx bracket raised to 1/3, it's raised to 6 is equal to 20 raised to 6. We know that a b it's raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. In this way we have to take care of it. Therefore 1/2 raised to 6. Again, we know that a raised to m bracket raised to m is equal to a raised to mn. Therefore, we get 1/2 into 6, that is d cube y by dx cube bracket raised to 3 into dy by dx 1/3 into 6, that is 2 is equal to 20 raised to 6. And this differential equation contains the highest order derivative d cube y by dx cube. Therefore, its order is 3 and its index is 3. Therefore, degree of differential equation is again 3. In this way, we have to calculate the order and degree of the differential equation.